We constantly look to oversimplify the way we live our life. We want to see everything binary or put everything into a quantifiable boundary. As be it pleasure or pressure, we want them to have a measure. This leads to us being simplistic in judging people and situations, like a person, whether rich or poor, is determined by their funds and the importance of news or facts being assessed by its social trends. It also slowly becomes the way we evaluate our own well being too, wherein we look at everything around us as numbers and in that process forget to live life that one remembers. Our health is ascertained by various medical gadgets with multiple parameters, and what gets missed is the psychological and mental aspects, which also equally matters. This is also applicable in how we look at our growth and maturity, primarily based on our chronological ages, and lot of time it also impacts the way we approach people and life across different stages. As we hear advices when we grow on, toning down our instincts, take less risk and aim for stability, and when we begin to follow them, we fail to fully draw onto our own true ability. We realize then that we need a constant boost to pull us from this mess, and we find the great source is through tapping onto our youthfulness. As youthfulness leads us to be in the top rung by helping us differentiate between being young and feeling young. It helps us to pick ourselves from negative connotations of youthfulness like puerile, inexperienced, careless, or kiddish, and makes us feel youthful by bringing in freshness, excitement, enthusiasm, and liveliness into our living. So let us allow our youthfulness to bloom in us by believing in ourselves on making things possible, which brings within us the energy of youth and not allowing our efforts to go south. Living in the present moment, mindful of what is current, and not allowing our past experiences to act as a deterrent. Observing and learning new things with inquisitiveness, continuously looking at ideas, skills to acquire with keenness. Overcoming obstacles, bringing new thoughts and actions to play by showcasing the exuberance of feeling young in display. Motivating ourselves to be active, connecting with positive people, and identifying noble causes to take part, thus continuously sharing happiness to all, thereby staying always young at heart. When we all grow old, we don't always grow wise, and we just put things on hold, doubtful of where true risk lies. As our past fills negative things to create in us a huge mess, and the devil in our head sings, adding to the mental madness. We want to set ourselves free to feel younger once again and filled with fresh energy of positivity in our brain. We then see belief bloom as we become the youth proponent with new ideas given room, sharing our happiness every moment.